Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Now, not everyone has the money to be buying authentic tacos from Burger King like Dork Points, but you can afford a $2 can of this paste taco meat in a can. It's supposed to make 7 delicious tacos. We're going to find out in a minute if that's the case. I'm going to pick up one of my authentic Mexican recipes that I like to make at my home, and having a can of Mexican meat should be very helpful. Let's find out. If you're looking for an authentic Mexican fiesta, but you want to do it at home, you don't want to go out, you don't want to go to Taco Bell and get that authentic American Mexican, but you do want a meal that makes you feel like you're ready to hook up power tools and cut through the border wall, come in from Mexico, demand free insurance, free health care, Medicaid, Medicare, welfare. I've got just what you need to purchase. $2 right here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Pace brand Taco Complete. All you have to do is heat, stuff, and eat. This is the mild variety. This is the original taco meat filling. This has got your sauce and your taco meat in a can. $2. Pick this up from Family Dollar. You can't beat it. On the inside, got a little bit of fat, got a little bit of sodium, a lot less sodium than you would expect. Fiber, there's some fiber in there, a little bit of protein from the meat. If you look at these ingredients, it's got water, it's got seasoned cooked beef and pork crumble. In parentheses to explain what that pork crumble is all about, it's beef and pork. Salt and spice. Extra tip. Tomato puree, you know what it is. It's tomato sauce. It's a little bit of meat. It's in a can. It's shelf stable. It's going to make you able to have that fiesta at home in the comfort of your own home. Now, this is supposed to be to pack up a taco shell with. You shake this can, it sounds a little loose, like there's more tomato sauce in here than there is ground meat. Shelf stable, the life on this daddy. And you can see this daddy's got a little dent in it, a little lean in it, a little crook to the nook. This one says it's good until December 6th of 2019. Wow, how long has this been sitting on the shelf is what I want to know, because that's less than 2 months away. That's a month away. Scary stuff. I better go ahead and eat it. Now, I'm not going to pack in the carbs. I'm not going to pack in the flour tortilla, the corn tortilla. We're not going to make tacos. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and mix this in with some more of a fiesta Mexican rice right here, $1.25, the North Fiesta sides. Get you a pack of rice. All you're going to do is you're going to put that in your boiling water. You're going to have some nice fluffy rice and pasta blend. I didn't even know it was rice and pasta. Rice and pasta blend with bell peppers and Mexican seasonings. That's gonna go great with the Pace Taco Complete, but no tacos here, ladies and gentlemen. You know how I like to cook? I like to mix it up with a can of this Margaret Holmes tomatoes, okra, and corn. Now, my glasses are falling off. Hold on a second, put those back on. I gotta show you the finishing touch. What is the finishing touch to a homemade Ryan from Silly Reviews Mexican Fiesta? We gotta get the hot banana pepper rings in there. You can pick this up for $1.50 at your Family Dollar. Spicy hot banana pepper rings. You mix all this together in a bowl and it should be delicious. The water is at a boil. I measured it correctly. Let me get this rice ready. I'm gonna come back in just a minute and we're gonna show the finishing touches. Mexican Fiesta. Trump hates it. Here we go. No, the camera's off, but I need to put it on the charger for a minute. These retards don't even know. Wait a minute, they don't even know that I'm mixing in. I'm actually mixing in some, I can pretend like I'm filming it or whatever, some creamy chicken flavored rice and pasta blends to make it even better, but I'm not even going to tell them that. But is this recording? All right, good deal. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. The rice is nice. Oh, the rice is so Mexican. It's so nice. Por favor, ¿cómo estás? We got that ready. Now, the Taco Complete is ready. Let me give you guys a good look. Let me just give you, hold on. This is a lot thicker than I thought it would be. I thought this would be mad, just super sauce with like a little bit of like dog meat.
Hello, shitty walk, take order, please.
Ground meat in here to make 7 tacos, just like it says. Check this out, y'all. It's thick, it's chunky. There's corn in there, I see beans. Oh man, I see some ground meat. Fuck, it smells like a delicious taco meal. I gotta give Pace Taco Complete for $2 from Family Dollar. I gotta give this 2 thumbs up. This is gonna be great. Ryan, for Silly Reviews, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Till next time.
Ryan here for Silly Reviews.